It's tragic, but it is our reality. Legislation cannot bring back the 6 innocent people who were shot and killed at the Covenant School. We know the gunman who entered that school left journals behind. And today, for the first time in months, a judge heard the public records case surrounding those writings. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald was there and tells us what comes next.
Today, the battle over the release of the Covenant School shooter's writings picked up in court where things left off last June. The passage of time and the number of people involved made this a hearing that was longer than many expected.
Of course, when this case first started, it was right after the events had transpired, and it was kind of this mad dash to the show cause hearing.
Nearly 1 year after Nashville was sued for not fulfilling the public records requests, a judge will finally hear from parties on April 16th. This legal battle stems from the tragic school shooting at the Covenant School. Last March, a former student entered the building and killed 3 children and 3 adults.
I need Metro to tell me what documents they believe are responsive and why they are not producing them.
Because so much time has passed since the case was in this court, the judge requested things be streamlined. A coalition of groups want records released, things like the shooter's so-called manifesto, anything depicting or describing those ramblings, as well as certain exchanges between law enforcement and people in power. To move this case along, the judge told parties to be specific.
If you haven't filed to counsel, if you haven't filed your actual FOIA request, please do that under a notice of filing. I also think that it will help narrow the universe of documents in this case.
A major reason for the slow progress, a detour to the State Court of Appeals after this judge allowed school families to have a say. In the end, her ruling was confirmed.
We look forward to working with opposing counsel.
In Nashville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Hannah. By the way, there will be no live testimony from the families at the show cause hearing on April 16th. According to their lawyer, the parents have preferred written statements.